Yo, so I started a YouTube channel 7 days ago, and let me tell you, the results have been absolutely insane. Like, I didn't expect this at all. The growth, the money, the subscribers flooding in, it's literally unreal. No, seriously, it's literally not real. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Here's what we're covering in this video. Pay attention because I'm breaking down everything. So stick around if you want the real YouTube truth without the fake motivational BS. See, you've been watching too many how I made $10,000 in 30 days videos on YouTube, right? Some guy with a Tesla in the background, perfect lighting, telling you YouTube is the easiest money ever. And you know what? They're not lying. They're just showing you their highlight reel, not their ground reality. So here's what I actually got in 7 days. 3 subscribers. That's it. 3. And you know the funny part? The first 2 were me, with different accounts. I was so desperate I subscribed to my own channel like a sad human being. Not proud, but we're being honest here. The third one, that's my real subscriber. One actual human being. And I have no idea what he was thinking. Views? Let's see ya. This is embarrassing. But even bigger channels face this. The difference? They didn't quit. They didn't make a TikTok crying about the algorithm. They just kept pushing. Revenue? 0 rupees. Not even 1 rupee. Alright, let me break down what 7 days actually looked like for me. I published 6 videos in 7 days. 6. That's almost 1 every day. Here's the math that nobody talks about. If it's a holiday, 1 video takes me 5 to 8 hours. Let's say 6 hours average. So 6 hours times 6 videos equals 36 hours of work. If it's a college day, morning 1 hour before college, evening 2 hours after. That's 3 hours per video on working days. So let's be generous and say I spend around 30 to 35 hours in this week grinding content. And my earnings? 0 rupees. So I made 0 rupees divided by 35 hours. 0 rupees per hour. That's worse than doing nothing. At least if I did nothing, I wouldn't be tired. My local tea shop pays better, and I don't even work there. And it's not just about the hours. It's about where those hours go, and spoiler alert, it's not where you think. Everyone thinks editing is hard. Oh, video editing is so complex, so technical. Yeah, it's not. The hard part? The thing that actually kills you inside? Topic selection. I spend 30 minutes to 1 hour just deciding what psychology topic to cover. Should it be about procrastination? Confidence? Why guys feel lonely? It's like I'm standing in front of 1,000 doors and I have to pick the right one. Pick wrong, and nobody cares. Then comes the images. I'm not a designer. So I use ChatGPT to generate images. And ChatGPT doesn't care about your deadlines, bro. I prompt it. It generates. It looks bad. I reprompt. It generates again. Still bad. I'm waiting. Sometimes 5 to 10 minutes just waiting for an AI to make a picture of a stick man that doesn't look cursed. Then I have to put every single image into the editing software. And they have to be aligned. Perfectly aligned. And if they're not, you do it again, and again, and again. 4-6 videos. The same repetitive motion, the same alignment, the same frustration. This is the part they don't show in the motivational videos. They show the final product looking smooth and cool, but they don't show you staring at your screen at 11 p.m., moving an image 2 pixels to the left because it was bothering your OCD. Now, did anything work? Yeah, my first video. Out of 6 videos, the first one got over 100 views. Do you know what that means? The others got way less. So one video got 100 plus, and the rest? They're struggling. Why did that one work? Honestly, I don't fully know. Good topic? Lucky algorithm? The stickman looked cuter that day? I have theories, but nothing concrete. What didn't work? The repetitive editing. Every single video, the same process. Same alignment pain. Same waiting for images. Same frustration. Your brain starts rejecting the process because it's so monotonous. This part right here, moving images, aligning them, checking again, this is what made me want to quit. Not because it's hard, but because it's boring. And it's repetitive. And there's no progress bar that says you're 50% done. You just keep going, hoping the algorithm gods smile at you. External factors? Did something amazing happen? Did I get lucky? No. This is all organic grind. My own stand, like I said. Here's where it gets real, though. I'm sitting there, looking at 3 subscribers. 2 are fake. I'm demoralized. 35 hours of work, zero money. And I'm asking myself, why am I doing this? Then I see it. A third subscriber. Not a famous person. Not a comment saying you're amazing. Just a subscribe button clicked. That's it. Nothing else. And you know what? I have no idea what that person was thinking. He didn't comment. He didn't say anything. He just subscribed. But I made up a whole story in my head. I imagined him saying, "I'm watching you, bro." I assumed he believed in what I was doing. I needed to believe that somebody, somewhere, thought what I made was worth their time. So I held on to that. That one subscribe button. That one person I'll probably never talk to. And something shifted. Because that's not a number. That's not a view count or a metric. That's a human being, somewhere in the world, who hit subscribe. And maybe he's actually watching. Maybe he's not. But he showed up once. This is the part they do show in motivational videos, but for the right reasons. Not the fake you can make 10K lie, but the real thing. One person caring enough to subscribe, even if they never say a word. And that became my motivation for video number 7. Not money, not viral success. One person I'll never know who believed enough to click subscribe. So here's what I learned in 7 days that nobody tells you. Number 1, it's not about time, it's about systems. If you're spending 6 hours per video, you're not being productive. You're being inefficient. The people who actually grow fast, they've optimized every step. They have templates. They have workflows. They know exactly where their 6 hours go and how to cut it to 3. I'm not there yet. You probably aren't either. Number 2, the algorithm doesn't care about effort. You could spend 10 hours on a video and get 2 views. Someone else could make something in 30 minutes and go viral. It's not fair, but that's the game. So instead of complaining about it, you adapt. You test. You iterate. Number 3, revenue is a joke in month 1. Monetization requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I have 3 subs and 2 watch hours. At this rate, do the math. That's a long time. So if you're starting a channel expecting money in the first week, you're delusional. You need a day job. You need savings. You need patience that most people don't have. Number 4, consistency beats perfection. I could have spent 8 hours perfecting one video. Instead, I made 6 okay videos. The first one got 100 views. Would a perfect version have gotten 200? Maybe. Maybe not. But at least 6 videos are in the algorithm's face instead of 1. Number 5, the real motivation isn't money. If you're watching motivational videos expecting to make money, that's your first problem. Real motivation? It's one person hitting subscribe. It's knowing that somewhere, someone thought what you made was worth their time. Money comes after that connection, not before. So here's the real question. Is starting a YouTube channel worth it? Depends on what you're looking for. If you want easy money, no. Go get a job. You'll make more in 35 hours. And you won't be frustrated about image alignment. If you want to build something, share knowledge, create content that helps people think differently, if you're okay with 7 days being just day one of a long journey, if you can handle 35 hours with nothing to show for it except one person hitting subscribe, then yeah, maybe. But be honest with yourself first. Don't start because some guy with a Tesla said it's easy. Don't start because a guru sold you a dream. Start because you have something to say. Start because you want to. Start because even with 0 views and 0 money, the idea of creating something keeps you up at night in a good way. Because if you can't handle week 1 of this, you definitely can't handle weeks 2 through 12 when it still doesn't blow up. And this is the part nobody says out loud. The people making real money from faceless YouTube channels? It's not the people running them. It's the people teaching people how to run them. Think about it. I'm spending 35 hours per week making videos for 0 rupees. But the guy selling the course how to make 10K with faceless YouTube in 30 days? He's making money while he sleeps. He's not running a faceless channel. He's selling a dream about faceless channels. So the real business isn't YouTube. The real business is selling hope to people like me who are grinding for nothing. This is the meta-level scam nobody talks about. And the worst part? Some of those gurus are doing it honestly. Some are lying. But either way, they're making more from one course than I'll make from a year of videos. So when you're watching motivational videos about passive income and easy money, remember, the guy selling you the dream is the one who's actually making the money, not the person living the reality you're watching. Keep that in mind. So there's my 7-day reality check. 3 subscribers, 0 rupees, 35 hours, one person who hit subscribe, and 6 videos that are now in the YouTube universe forever. If you're thinking about starting a channel, watch this before you do. Not to discourage you, but to prepare you. And if you are starting one, drop a comment and tell me what psychology topic you want me to cover next. Because apparently one person is watching, and maybe more will too. Thanks for watching. I'm still here, still grinding, still making stickman videos that nobody asked for.